Hey, I'm Kevin Fisher. Welcome to Method Minute, a series of bite-sized videos about Method Insurance. Let's talk appetite. Our focus is solely on workers' comp, and unlike many multi-line carriers, we write in a range of underserved industries. We take pride in our extensive appetite, unique accounts in industries such as transportation, agriculture, manufacturing, and construction. On top of that, we can write new ventures, midterm moves, multistate policies, and lapses. Our willingness to take on high mods, coverage lapses, and other problematic accounts makes Method stand out to our customers. You're struggling to find a home for a challenging account? We want that submission. Let us help. While we can make the most impact on businesses in these industry classes, we also strive to make a difference where it counts for you and your customers. Method is truly an underwriting company. Your insured has a story, and we want to hear it. So if you're unsure if an opportunity fits in our wheelhouse, contact us. We'd love to connect with you. To submit, just send us an email at submissions@methodinsurance.com, the ACORD 130, 3 years loss runs, and experience mod worksheet. You submit, we commit.